Hello guys, can you thinking about why no tobacco day is celebrated? What is the need about that? We are aware about tobacco use, but can we really know how much death is hidden in tobacco use? Can you know tobacco use also cause a heart disease and breathing secondhand smoke cause a stroke and a heart attack? No, well, you are not alone. Hundreds of millions of tobacco users don't realize tobacco causes heart disease, but now you can too. This by watching video till the end. So let's get started. Intaking tobacco is an ancient culture. For our ancestors, this habit developed. But now, tobacco use is the world-leading cause of preventable death. And when you so many lives are at the stake, there are no excuse for the inactions. But there is still much more to do. Tobacco companies seems to find new ways to push their products every day. So I wanna thank to the WHO for a leading fight against a tobacco worldwide. No Tobacco Day is observed around the world every year on 31st May. This yearly celebrating informs the public on the dangers of using tobacco companies. What the world or WHO is doing to fight against the use of tobacco, and what people around the world can do to claim their right to the health and healthy living and protect the future generation. The member states of the WHO create a World No Tobacco Day in 1987 to draw global attention to the tobacco epidemic and the preventable death and disease it causes. The day is further intended to draw attention to the widespread prevalence of tobacco and to negative health effects which already lead to more than 8 million deaths every year worldwide, including 1.2 million are the results of no smokers being exposed to the second-hand smoke. Every year, government, NGO and civil community jointly hold awareness programs on the harmful effects of tobacco consumption. Groups around the world form local clubs to city, councils to national government are incorporated by the WHO to organize events each year to help the communities celebrate World No Tobacco Day in their own way at the local level. Since 1988, the World Health Organization (WHO) has presented one or more awards to the organization or individual who have made exceptional contributions to reducing tobacco consumption. general social award and recognition certificate can given to the individual. This action is increases morale of people who are participating their contributions on this action. Definitely, we can reduce the rate of a death by these actions. Good luck to you and the WHO and people just around it. Thank you for watching.